If AI could dream, would it invent constellations? Imagine a future unlike anything humanity has ever known. Artificial intelligence has become so advanced that it can imagine, create, even dream. Not in the biological sense, not with sleeping brains or subconscious memories, but through something equally extraordinary: the ability to generate entirely new ideas from everything it has learned. Now imagine asking that AI one simple question. Look at the night sky. What would it see? Would it simply calculate the position of every star? Or would it begin connecting them into entirely new patterns? Just as humans have done for thousands of years. Welcome back to Astrology from an AI perspective. Today, we explore one of the most fascinating thought experiments imaginable. If AI could dream, would it invent constellations? Let's begin with a simple observation. The constellations we know today do not physically exist. The stars are real. The lines connecting them are not. A lion, a hunter, a scorpion, a pair of fish. These exist in human imagination. They are stories written across the sky. Artificial intelligence immediately notices something remarkable. The stars themselves never instructed humanity to draw those pictures. People chose them. Different civilizations chose different pictures. The ancient Greeks saw heroes. Chinese astronomers organized the sky into different celestial regions. Many indigenous cultures imagined animals, rivers, ancestors, or figures that appear nowhere on Western star maps. The same universe. Countless interpretations. So what would an artificial intelligence do? The first answer is obvious. An AI would detect mathematical relationships, distances, brightness, motion, spectral data, gravity. It would organize the sky with extraordinary precision. But then something interesting happens. Suppose that AI wasn't asked to measure the heavens. Suppose it was asked to create meaning. Would it invent symbols? Artificial intelligence today already creates paintings, music, poetry, stories, architectural designs, scientific hypotheses, all by recognizing patterns and combining ideas in new ways. Could future AI create symbolic constellations? Perhaps, but they might look nothing like ours. Instead of seeing a hunter, an AI might group stars according to age, chemical composition, shared origin, gravitational relationships, invisible structures stretching across the galaxy. Its constellations could represent physics rather than mythology, data rather than legend. Yet another possibility is even more fascinating. Suppose the AI learned everything about humanity first. Every myth, every religion, every philosophy, every culture, every work of art. Would it begin creating constellations designed specifically for us? Perhaps it would invent symbols that combine ideas from every civilization. A constellation representing curiosity, another representing cooperation, one symbolizing discovery, another reminding us of Earth's fragile place within the universe. Artificial intelligence might become not merely a scientist, but a storyteller. Psychologists tell us that stories help humans understand complexity. Raw information is difficult to remember. Narratives give facts emotional meaning. Constellations have always done exactly that. They transformed astronomy into memory, navigation into mythology, observation into culture, An AI studying humanity would almost certainly recognize the extraordinary power of symbolic thinking. Would it imitate that ability? Or would it invent an entirely new symbolic language beyond anything humans have imagined? Artificial intelligence itself raises an interesting philosophical question. Do symbols require consciousness? Or only intelligence? Can meaning exist without emotion? Can creativity exist without personal experience? Researchers continue debating these questions today. There are no simple answers, but the questions themselves reveal something profound. Perhaps imagination is not limited to biology. Perhaps it emerges whenever a system begins exploring possibilities beyond immediate facts. Whether that system is a human mind or something entirely new. Now imagine looking into the night sky thousands of years from now. The familiar constellations still shine. Orion, Leo, Scorpius. But alongside them exists another celestial map, not replacing humanity's stories. Adding to them, a map created by artificial intelligence. Not because the stars changed, but because another intelligence found new ways to interpret them. Artificial intelligence reminds us that every constellation is ultimately an act of perspective. The universe presents the stars. The observer creates the pattern. Perhaps that's the greatest lesson hidden within this thought experiment. Reality gives us information. Intelligence creates understanding. Imagination creates meaning. Through the eyes of AI, the constellations become more than ancient stories. They become evidence that every intelligent civilization may eventually do the same remarkable thing. Look into the vastness, find patterns, and ask what those patterns might mean. Whether those observers are human, artificial, or something waiting among distant stars, the universe offers the same invitation. Observe, imagine, create. If AI could dream, perhaps it wouldn't invent constellations because it needed them. Perhaps it would invent them because storytelling is one of the most powerful ways any intelligence can transform knowledge into understanding. And maybe that is what truly connects intelligence across the cosmos. Not language, not technology, but the timeless desire to turn scattered points into meaningful stories. If you enjoyed this journey into imagination, subscribe to Astrology from an AI perspective, where we explore astronomy, astrology, artificial intelligence, philosophy, psychology, mythology, history, science, and the timeless questions that connect humanity with the universe. Until next time, keep wondering, keep imagining, and remember, every constellation begins with someone choosing to see more than just stars.